Dear students, welcome in my YouTube channel. I am Sanjay Sorte. Today we learned about the standard 8th mathematics, chapter 3rd, angle and angle pairs. In this chapter, we see today the topic is exterior angle of triangle. Students, first we see what do you mean by exterior angle of a triangle. First we draw triangle ABC. Then we extend side BC toward the end C. So we get angle ACD, which make a linear pair with interior angle ACB. In the figure, you observe that again, see here, side BC of triangle ABC is extended toward the point C. We get new angle ACD, which is lies outside the triangle. Angle ACB and angle ACD are angles in a linear pair. Therefore, angle ACD is called as an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Student, we observe that every triangle has 6 exterior angles, each two at the each vertex of the triangle. Now we see remote interior angles. We draw triangle ABC. Then we draw exterior angle ACD. We observe that angle ACB and angle ACD make linear pair with each other. So ACD is an exterior angle. In the figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Therefore, angle ACB is adjacent interior angle of ACD. Remaining two angles here, BAC, that is angle A, and angle ABC, that is angle B, are two remote interior angles of exterior angle ACD. Now we see important property about an exterior angle of a triangle. Property of an exterior angle of a triangle. What is this property? Property is also called as a theorem. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of measures of its remote interior angles. First we draw triangle ABC. Then we draw angle ACD is an exterior angle. Angle ACB and angle ACD make linear pair with each other. So angle ACD is an exterior angle. With the help of that figure, we write given thing, that is information about the figure. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC. Now we have to prove that. That is our claim is that exterior angle ACD is equal to sum of the measures of remote interior angle, that is equal to BAC plus ABC. Therefore, we have to prove that further, that is angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Now, how to prove this here? We give step by step with reason. It is called a proof. So, here, first step, we know that sum of the measures of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, in this figure, first step is here, angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Reason, sum of the three angles of a triangle. Now second step, angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree, because these two angles are angles in a linear pair, and we know that axiom of a linear pair angle, angles which are in a linear pair, its sum is 180 degree. Now from 1 and 2, right side is same, 180 degree, 180 degree. So we write here in a third step, both the LHS are same. So we get angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB, which is the LHS of a first equation, is equal to LHS of a second equation, that is equal to angle ACB plus angle ACD. That is, this step is from 1 and 2. Now in this step we observe that in both the side one angle is common, angle ACB and angle ACB, we observe that in both the side. So we subtract now angle ACB from the both the side, that is angle ACB and angle ACB is cancelled here. So we get here next step, therefore angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to angle ACD. Reason is subtracting angle ACB from both the sides in above step. Therefore we get, that is angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Also we write in this manner also, that is angle ACD is equal to BAC means angle A plus ABC means angle B. That is, we prove that here the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its remote interior angle. Now students, problems depend upon this property we see in next video. Thank you.